dinosaurs are the wintergreen ones, and they grow up to be 24 to 36 inches, which is about, I believe, 36 inches at 3 feet. So that's exactly what I was looking for here. I got this from Walmart, like $14.97, which it was a great deal. As I went to our local nursery, and they wanted like $55 for, you know, the same shrub. And so yeah, I got a good deal at Walmart. I just finished digging the hole where I'm going to place this shrub, and I came across something that I was expecting. There's a lot of rocks here, so I took all these small rocks out of here. So there used to be a big pond here, like a lot of rocks, landscape rocks, and when I took this down, most of it, you know, was just buried in here. So, I mean, I did my best. It looks good. And, yeah, ready to drop it in the hole, and that's it.